Hi, my name is Goldman. I'm the director and founder of Goldman and Associates. Our firm has a primary focus on family law issues here in Michigan, and today we're continuing our video series designed to educate the public, so please subscribe to our channel. Can you get alimony in a really short-term marriage? Well, you have to understand the alimony factors. Generally, there's a bunch of sub-factors, but the main three factors are, number one, the duration of the marriage. Number two, the difference of income between one party and another. And number three, the availability of disposable income to pay the alimony. So let's talk about factor number one, the duration of the marriage. The duration of the marriage dictates whether or not it's more likely or less likely to be an alimony case. A 30-year marriage on one end of the spectrum is probably going to be an alimony case. A 6-month marriage, probably not. And then you have the stuff in the middle. As you go from the 6-month to the 30-year, it becomes more and more likely that it'll be an alimony consideration. But it doesn't mean that a long-term marriage is necessarily going to be an alimony case, and it doesn't mean that a short-term marriage won't be an alimony case. There are factors involved. Like, let's say there's a very short-term marriage where one person's a big wage earner, the other one isn't, and during the one-year marriage, the other one becomes, disabled somehow during the marriage, or, due to an illness or disability, and at that point in time, if they get divorced, there'll be a real inequity there. Even though it's a short-term marriage, the court may allow some level of alimony because of what went on. The court may also allow some level of alimony if a short-term marriage was marked by horrible abuse. One person against the other, the court may allow some alimony to let that person sort of get back on their feet a little bit. So there's no specific answer because the statute doesn't say alimony doesn't kick in until X years of marriage. It doesn't say that, so it's always up to the court. But generally speaking, the general parameters are it becomes more of an alimony case as the duration of the marriage becomes longer. If you have any questions about that, reach out, and we'll be glad to help you out.